Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sum columns in Google Sheets. So we have also here some few options, uh, precisely 4 of them. So we will go through each of them slowly and that we get the point of every option. So the standard formula for adding a range of cells is this one here. Just a moment, I will just copy it to show you. So it's this one here, sum, and then the range. To sum cell, let's say through A2, or yes, from A2 through A10, enter like that, put in A2 and then just like that, and let's say 8 I have here, and this is specific range. Now if I want basically entire column, use a open-ended formula, like we will use A2 and then here at the end just A to include all features entire added to that column. Then for the multiple columns, to sum columns A and B together, we can use this way. So I will change here A and then here B, or we can also do that like A and then we separate and use C, just like that. So this is multiple column option. So you can also see here orange and here violet. Now the second option is here. So this one is a little bit faster way to insert a formula without typing it out. So here in the Windows, select the cell where you want the the total, and press Alt, Shift, and equal. I hope it works. On the Mac, you have the combination Command plus Shift plus T, or use the toolbar button below. Right now here under the Alt, Shift, and doesn't get anything. Okay, just try on your computer if you have this option available, and it works. Right here with me it doesn't work, sadly. Now the third option is the toolbar, so highlight the cells you want to add. So let's say this kind of way, click the functions. So this one here, functions, and then sum. From the drop down menu, select it right here. I have it, the first one here, and then press enter to confirm the suggested range. So I can do that like that. Select the whole table here, sum, and then A2, as you can see, A8 to D8, and then I press enter. Now if you, this is the last option, so if you just need to see the total without adding it to your sheet, highlight the cells you want to check. So let's say I want to check this like that. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen. So here will small box will display the sum. So if you have this option here, I sadly also don't have it. so I can't show you this right now, but if you really if you have that option, then um, you can also check this way. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.